The first type of plant layout is a product layout. It's simply to arrange activity in a line in a sequence according to the order of operation that need to be performed to assemble a particular product. It's not just about the assembly, it could be just about any production, any service you need to follow. You place the steps one after the other in a sequence. You reduce the time needed to travel between one step and another, and this is the secret about it. Okay, plant layout is usually mainly to reduce the traveling time between systems. Okay, so usually plant layout, each product has a production line specific to it, because when you place the machines as A, B, C, D, and rarely two products will have exactly the same sequence, and it's only suitable for mass production or repetitive operation in which demand is steady and volume is high, so like almost no variation in the system. Okay, it is more autonomous as like independent than process layout. So as I repeat, it's only good for mass production. Okay, the needed material move in one direction, yeah, from the start to the finish along this line, and it will always be in the same pattern along the same line. And the most common material handling used in the product layout is a conveyor. Okay, in the conveyor is a system, but it could be transport, it could be the overhead crane, it could be anything. So the system, it has like a Z shape, a U shape, L shape. Okay, so it's always like a sequence of line when it starts in and it goes out. If it is a U shape, the workers will be right in the middle of that line. Okay, so it depends on the system we have. How about the advantages and disadvantages of the product layout? They are as follows. Okay, so it is efficient and easy to use, and I repeat, it's like when you use this, almost no variation in the product, and so only for mass production and high volume of production, low unit cost because you're producing a huge amount, and low labor skill needed because you're just doing like the same job over and over and over again, so it's like repetitive. It could be easily replaced by a robot. And raw material handling. Alright, so it is high efficiency and utilization, okay, of machine. Is simple routing and scheduling, and it's really easy to track and control. Some of the disadvantage of the product layout, they are as follows. Okay, so inflexibility, volume, design, mix, so it's always like a huge amount, and it's really boring for laborers in a way, so it's like low motivation, low enrichment, sorry, and cannot accommodate it partial shutdown and breakdown. In case any machine it breakdown, you have to stop the whole line, and individual incentives plan are not possible, because you cannot say like this person excel in his work. It must be like the whole line, the whole department, they did good or not. Please check other video for process layout, cell layout, and fixed position